Want to edit videos like a pro, right from your web browser? Forget complicated software. Today, I'm showing you how to master CapCut's online editor in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Capcut.com and create a new project. You'll see a clean, user-friendly timeline. To start, just drag and drop your video clips right into the media panel. See how easy that is? Now, let's add some magic. On the left, you'll find everything you need: text, stickers, effects, and transitions. Let's add some bold, eye-catching text. Just click the text tool, type your message, and customize the font and color. Want to add a smooth transition between clips? Simply drag your favorite one from the Transitions tab and drop it right between two videos. CapCut's online editor is powerful, free, and incredibly easy to use. Dive in and start creating your own amazing videos today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.